Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm about to get off work. It is super loud in here. I'm ready to go, ready to get this wig off my head. We're gonna get this TWA style so y'all can see how I look outside of this wig and the products that I will be using to get my natural curls to popping. So let me get home and we're gonna take this thing off. Y'all stay tuned. I finally made it home to get this wig off. So first things first, we're gonna start by removing this wig. We got to get down to the nitty gritty and get down to what's up underneath these lace frontals. So first off, I want to start off by putting my little mixture together. Now this is the mixture that I use to remove the wig. So in this mixture, of course, there's going to be some water. I'm going to put some of this Cantu shea butter, and I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil. Now I just put that in there just so my hair does not miss out on any kind of moisture at all. One thing you want to do before you start manipulating your hair and doing anything, pulling these lace frontals off, whatever, you want to start with some moisture, some water-based product to get them off. Do not snatch them off, do not pull them, do not tug on them, nothing. You want them to just slip off effortlessly with no kind of That's how you want to save your edges. So I'm just going to take some of this Cantu shea and we're just going to put that, so just scoop it right in the water bottle. Just get in there the best way you can. I've already put some in there already, so that should be enough. Just 2 scoops. I'm gonna put in maybe a cap full of this extra virgin olive oil that I just got from our supermarket. You can get it from Walmart, Food Depot, anywhere. Just put a cap full of that in there. And I'm gonna go to the sink and we're gonna fill it up with water real quick. I'm gonna put the top on and give it a good shake. All right, so we back. We got the water bottle, our mixture together. Just want to put the little towel over top because water be splashing everywhere. And just you want to break up that Cantu. So hit it at the bottom, get that water, the oils mixed together, get everything happy. And then you just want to go right in. We're gonna start right here in the front. Now this is a glueless. This is glueless. The only thing that's holding this wig down is the baby hairs. So I put got to be glue just on the baby hairs. There's no glue up underneath the wig, like on my skin, scalp, whatever, to glue the wig down. No, that's not what we're doing. So I actually run the comb right up underneath there just so y'all can see. This wig is actually glueless, but I was just using some water just to make sure that I'm not tugging on any of my newly grown edges, is why I'm using water, because I'm trying to save every last strand that has now grown in. We're not tugging, we just kind of gently rubbing. You don't want to pull, don't snatch this up. Just put some more water on it. And you just want to rub it around. As you can see, the glue is starting. I keep saying glue. I didn't use glue. The gel. Got to be glue. Gel. It's starting to come up. Keep your little rag handy because you're going to need it. And you just want to continue this process all the way around until you are able to do just that. Lift it right up, wig. And I have my mannequin head sitting here waiting and ready because, oh look what, we look like twins. Look, she bald and I'm bald. God darn it.
I love that.
But you just want to definitely put these mannequin heads to use. Allow her to hold your lace frontal wig. And she'll do a great job. Go ahead and remove our little cap because I always have a barrier in between my natural hair and the wig. And before you manipulate moisture, even though I moisturize my hair every single day, as you see it's very shiny and my hands are oily, is because I do not wear my lace frontal wigs without moisture. I kind of overload my hair with moisture before I put on these caps and before I put on my wig. Definitely don't put your wig over top of your hair dry. You will lose hair and your hair will break when it's time for you to remove your wigs. So with our little water mixture, just mist our hair. And this is before you manipulate, before you comb, before you brush, before you do anything. Step number 1, moisturize. And I go in with my pick. You can use a wide tooth comb and just pick your hair. Comb it out. You get the tangle. If y'all haven't seen the video on how I dyed my hair from black to this honey blonde, just go back over to my channel. I just posted a video. My hair probably been dyed maybe 2 weeks now. So it's a video that I posted 2 weeks ago, already on my channel, showing y'all how I transitioned from a black dull bum to a blonde bombshell, period. Don't hate. Then y'all better not drop nothing negative in the comment section, or I'm coming for y'all, period. So the products we are going to be using is the Cantu, of course. I have my DIY. This is another video that has been going damn near viral on my channel as well. This is a hair food serum that I made for faster hair growth. This video is #1 on my channel. If y'all have not seen this concoction, please go over and watch that. It is by the Blue Magic Organic, the Indian hemp. It's my favorite brand of Blue Magic, and I just amped this up on steroids, basically. Not literal steroids, but I'm talking about essential oils and different type of moisturizing products that are in here. So if y'all want to see this, please go over to my channel and watch it. Also, we're going to be using this DIY rosemary essential oil mixture that I made. This video is also on my channel, so go back and watch that as well. Alright, so now we have come to the styling part of the whole process. So this is the alopecia TWA, which means my sides and edges are thin. I'm trying to regrow back my edges. These are my problem areas. This is an area that I have struggled with for a while now, trying to regrow back, and I believe I got a handle on it now. And now that my hair is blonde, it's definitely transitioning, giving me a transition, so you really can't notice. You know, it's not making it so noticeable. But if my hair was still black, you can see everything, right? But we ain't doing that. So first thing, I'm gonna go in and add some more of this Cantu, and I'm gonna piggyback with my DIY hair growth serum, and we're gonna just put both of them in our hair at the same time. So that's the Cantu. I'm going in and getting the DIY hair serum, and we're just gonna put both of them on our palms, give them a good mix, and add them to our hair at the same damn time. Period. I'm just running this through my hair in a circular motion, just getting down to the roots, giving it a good massage, making sure every hair strand has grease and product and Cantu and everything on it. And we just gonna style this hair. My hair is starting to grow since I dyed it 2 weeks ago. If y'all haven't noticed, or if y'all have noticed, I can start, you know, it's starting to grow. I can see my black roots coming back. So in about maybe a month from now, I'll probably be doing a retouch-up video on this honey blonde. So if y'all want to watch that, stay tuned. Stick with me. Stay right here. Alright, so I got all the product in here, the Cantu plus my DIY. I'm going to go in with this rosemary hair growth serum oil that I made. And that's on my channel too. And what we're going to do is run this around the edges, right around the hairline, because I'm hearing, you know, that rosemary oil, fresh rosemary infused in extra virgin olive oil, and that rosemary essential oils are like running neck and neck with the minoxidil or the Rogaine. And you know, the Rogaine is kind of like a chemical. If you use the Rogaine, you can get super amazing results with the Rogaine. Don't get me wrong. But if you stop using the Rogaine, all your results that you've worked so hard at to grow are going to fall out as soon as you stop using it. So I didn't want to take that chance again, so I went ahead and made my own rosemary essential plus the fresh rosemary. I have fresh rosemary leaves in here. I don't know if you can see them floating around, but I did sit it on the stove and infuse. I did the whole video, so just go back and watch the video. I ain't gonna tell you about it here because it's not about the rosemary right now, but I'm just letting you know. If y'all want to grow your hair thicker, grow your edges back, your alopecia back, your baldness, your shedding, your breakage, all of that, go over my channel and watch this DIY. Alright, so at this point when I put this rosemary oil in my hair, I just go ahead and give myself a nice scalp massage. I'm trying to create healthy blood flow to the hair follicles and trying to promote my hair to start growing. Alright, so now that all the product is in my hair, we're going to start styling. I'm just going to pick out my hair once again, just to make sure all the product has been evenly distributed through all the hair strands. And I don't know, let me give y'all a 360 of my hair real quick. I kind of have like a taper in the back, so the back is like more towards the nape, closest towards the nape, and then it graduates into like a afro, right? That's how I like it. So for me to style this, I want to create like a little part, because the part been giving me life lately for some reason. And when I first dyed my hair, I was never putting a part in there, but once I did it one day, I was like, ooh, wait a minute. So we're just gonna do a part, and I'm parting this on what, my left side of my head? Yeah, my left side. And the part ain't gonna be super straight. It's just trying to give the hair some character, some definition. And we're just gonna start by doing that. I'm gonna take, just to hold my part out the way and keep the hair separate, I'm going with this Eco Styler. It has argan oil in it. And I'm just gonna take about that much, because I ain't got a lot of hair. And I'm just gonna put it on both sides of the part. Just trying to keep that part open. I'm gonna create a little swoop right here, and it's just going to help mask our edges. That's the problem area. That's the area you don't want everybody to be looking at and staring at when you go out. So that's the area you want to just cover real quick. This is what I did so far. I just swooped the front and brought it down into this little V where my sideburns are at. That's how I like to wear my sideburns. I like to put them in like a little points. So with some more of this Eco, I'm gonna run this throughout my entire hair, and I'm using about that much Eco. Run it around like the can too in the DIY grease, and we're gonna put this in a circular motion. And this is what's going to help create our curls and get our curls to pop it. Not messing up the part, not creating, you know, putting any hair over the part. You just want to just do this in a circular motion, kind of like the sponge curls. The sponge curls. My son does sponge curls on his hair. I use his brush when he's not looking because he don't like his mom using his stuff, but I use it anyways. Like, if it's around, I'm gonna use it. Who is he? Period. And he over there looking at me right now. All right, so with that Eco Styler, like I said, you just want to get it in your hair, and you want to start rolling your hair. Now, you can do it with the sponge roll. You can do it with your fingers. I like doing mine with my fingers because I don't want a lot of definition to my curls. Because, like I said, I do have the alopecia edges, so I still want to be able to bring hair forward to cover them. So I don't want all of this area here sponge rolled because I need coverage. So I just take my hands and I just lightly just roll left, roll right in a twist motion, and that's going to create a curl pattern. Now I do have 4C hair. I don't know what that means. So this is what works for me in my hair texture. You guys can do in sponge curl if you have a tighter hair pattern than I have. You might want to do or use a different method, but this works for me. And I roll back and forth. People like to say, "Oh, I only roll in one direction." Well, I roll in both. So, and my curls still do what they want to do. They still form. As y'all can see, my hair is starting to curl up. I do it like I'm giving myself a scalp massage, and the curls form just as good. And you just want to keep doing this. Keep rubbing it. If you feel any dry areas, get some more of that Eco, like this area right here. I don't know if I got enough in this area, it just didn't feel right. So I'm putting some more Eco, and I'm just gonna start rubbing. And this is what's gonna form these curls. As you can see, I'm forming the curls, but I'm kind of like dragging these ones down because I want them to cover this side. All right, so for this side here, I'm just pulling just the bare edges right down on my forehead, because I got a kind of a big ass forehead. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I got a big forehead. Then go to the turn to the side, so y'all see. Yeah, all up in here. All up in here. I got a big forehead. Anyways, so what I'm doing after I start forming those curls, I'm gonna start pulling these curls forward. I don't know if y'all can hear the rain out there, so if y'all can hear the rain, excuse the rain, y'all. And we got lightning. We got a nice little storm that just came through here, and I am super excited because this is my kind of weather. I love it. All right, so back to the styling. I'm trying to make sure I keep this part visible because my hair just want to curl like right over the part. You see them curls? I'm kind of like trying to fold them back to stay out the way of the part. trying to keep that part just open a little bit. Now I love this side. I kind of love the fact that I brought all of this hair forward and created my little hook right here, my little baby hair right there. I kind of love this. That's cute, right? I love that. This side, I don't know if I'm feeling that much, but what I can do is do it like I did the other side, right? I can bring this hair. Oh no, that's okay. No, I got it. So I got the part, got the little swoop. So you only want to kind of like the swoop on one side, graduating into the curls. That's going to run it around the back and run it over the top. So because you don't have a lot of hair here, what you want to do is you want to grab these curls and just extend them, just stretch them over the problem area. And that's how you can mask the edges, right? It just gives the illusion that more hair is there. Now, hair is there, but it's super fine. But that ain't nobody business but your own, right? What I like to do in my next step is take my pick, because I don't like it flat on the top. Not picking it all the way out, just kind of like lift your curls. That way you'll have more height and volume at the top. You just lift and let go, lift and let go. And that's just creating more volume to the hair, because you know we already bald headed enough. We don't want to make it look like we just ain't got no hair. Okay, the hair, and this is best to be done, you know, once the hair actually sets, the curls in place, and the hair dries 100% fully. That's really when you want to go in and pick. You'll get a lot more volume and a lot of definition once the hair has dried. So all the curls is popping. We got the edges laid. The alopecia edges are covered. I feel cute. I kind of want to lift this up right here in the front, because I'm okay with that being lifted up in the front. It doesn't make me feel no type of way. I don't feel like I'm being exposed or anything. I'm good. So we're just gonna make sure. And then just to make sure, you know, you can actually put clips right here while it's drying, just to make sure your part stays. I don't have any clips, but that's just an idea in case y'all ladies do have clips. Maybe I need to invest in some when I go to my beauty supply store next time. I could buy some silver clips. But for now, I'm good. It's just an idea. Me, Josh, trying to demonstrate and give y'all some ideas on what to do with your little TWA alopecia edges, how to style. But let me give y'all 360 real quick. Tell me what y'all think. Go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all like what I've done. Y'all are ready for more DIYs, more hair growth regimens and routines, things that are going to help us regrow our alopecia edges back. Then go ahead and like, subscribe to this channel. Definitely turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content to this channel. You guys do not want to miss. And I will see y'all in my next one. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys, and deuces. All right, y'all. This is just me giving y'all some shots with the filter on, because I think it's real cute. Let me know what y'all think. It's just like a little extra bonus in the video. The video is over, y'all, but I want to give y'all a little bit more. All right, now the video is over. Had to give y'all that with the filter. I sure wish I had my lip gloss, but I just give y'all some shades. No shade intended, y'all. These like my Mary J. Blige shades. I'm out. Bye.